Guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, there's something that I just thought about while I was doing the previous video. Guys, have you ever heard anyone like police ministers or whatever when they talk about hitmen and whatever? Have you ever heard them talk about Mube, talk about Mapisa? They are saying those Mube, Mapisa, Julia are the Nkabis, ne? Have you ever heard them talk about them? I don't want to even go to Indaba Kantazi, no, number one, they are not Nkabis. But these three are said to be Nkabis. So these two, have you ever heard anyone on the news talk about them? No. Me, I've never heard them. But I've heard Becky Cele Ememezi Kamal Kantuli. I've heard Unhlanhla Mkhwanazi Ememezi Kamal Kantuli. Now, the reason I'm asking that is because I'm sitting here thinking, no, man, there's these people basjwayela kabi. Like these people that arrested these five guys are really pissing on us because because Ufiso Kuhlentuli guys, he's serving 6 life terms ne, in prison. They fetch him in KZN for this case. And when they came out in 2020, he was said he's the most dangerous man of KwaZulu-Natal. And people, when they are making videos about Untuli, about people in KZN, there are videos in YouTube videos and even on TikTok, people where they will mention him with top 10 of like, and you don't see these two. You don't see these two, but Untuli, you will see him. The reason I'm not bashing Tuli, hear me out. I'm not bashing Tuli. I'm coming with that because I'm thinking, no, man. If Untuli is this dangerous criminal that is painted to be, I'm not saying he's not. I don't know him like that. I'm not saying he's not. I'm not saying he is. But if he is such a dangerous person, I don't hear anyone saying that he has a core IQs in these other cases. Even when I saw him in this other video, sithi hey, yabona mina ngifunga umama uMazungu bazongazi kahle iChristmas ngeke ifike bese uyi-one. He is one man jive. And then that Cyril something that I forgot his surname. He's a prosecutor. He's like Untuli is a very dangerous man. Ufiso Kuhlentuli is a very dangerous man. Blah blah blah. He killed people. He killed his cousins. I don't know Zulu or Zungu, 3 Zungu brothers or Zulu brothers. I don't know, but he did this in front of everyone in a stadium full of people. That's what this prosecutor says in this other video. Now, I'm thinking about that because I'm like, then they put him with this 4. So if Ukeli Khumalo contacted Fiso Kuhlentuli, was Fiso Kuhlentuli going to bring other people? Are they not working for money? Why would he bring other people when he is busy working for this money? Because it's going to be his job. He's going to get this 100K, if it was 100K, whatever. But why would he bring other people? I don't understand. Mind you, Usenzo Meyiwa did not have a security guard. So why wouldn't Ntuli need other people if in his other cases he never had a core accused and he was alone when he was doing them? Does it even make sense, guys? Does it even make sense that Untuli is accused number 5 and he was just a coordinator? The most dangerous of them all is said to be the coordinator. Kanjani, guys? Does it make sense that wasn't this supposed to be a hit that needed meticulous Ntontoni? It did not need too many people, too many eyes. Why would Ntuli go and look for Abondanzi? Accused number 1. Guys, does it even make sense, Lalento? Am I reaching with when I'm asking those questions? Because I'm asking genuinely because I don't understand. It's not making sense that they say Untuli organized. He is the one that's because now I believe Untuli was going to be speaking to Ukeliga alone if there was anything that makes them speak and organize this hit for Osenzo. Not adding other people. It's not making sense. Do you know what else is not making sense? Is that Untuli is not phoning these 2 guys, 3 or 4. Okay, did I forget that? I don't hear them because they spoke to him telephonically. Weird, ne? It's some weird shit in Dabayakona, guys. Anyway, so if then it goes on to show Guti this case is such a stupid thing against these guys. Um, they lie and say Untuli spoke to Kelly Kumalo. Then at some point, Untuli spoke to sorry, Kelly spoke to Umnub. And then at the same breath, Untuli is the organizer, is the coordinator. Yet, picture Yemali is found in the Mnube, Kelly, and Longwe. Yet, Longwe is not part of the accused. Guys, these people, why is their picture not on Julie's phone and Kelly? Why are they not continuing to communicate? Why would Kelly be speaking to number 3 now, not continue speaking to Nduli? Why would Kelly be having the same picture as number 3 instead of Nduli? Am I... Kininda, do you see how stupid you are? Do you see how stupid? Yes, Kininda, if you wanted to frame someone here, you should have left everybody alone and went to Fiso Kuhlentulu and say, please take a hit for, like when I say take a hit, the only person he should have bought was Ntuli. It was Ntuli. Also, hi guys, come on, come on. This is like Amapolisa when they are doing things thinking that they are smart, they can be very dumb. We are seeing it even there, go prosecutor or Andrea Johnson would know, guys, these educated people can be dumb at times, ne? No, guys, no. I still do not believe that Untuli would have recruited the other 4 guys for the job if this was a true hit. I don't believe that Untuli was going to go. And also, why the city Untuli spoke to Kelly Kumalo? Who linked Untuli no Kelly Kumalo? Who link? Why is that link not anywhere? We are not hearing anything about Kelly Kumalo and Untuli's link. Who linked them? Who knew about this guy being a hitman, Untuli, and then told Kelly that guy is a hitman? Who did Kelly speak to know who is a hitman and who's not, and who's to speak to, how to contact Ntuli? Where did Kelly get Ntuli's number? Shukuti Kelly has dangerous people in her space, Kaloku. Do you guys understand ukuthi le ndaba kaNtuli noKelly, even their connection, their link does not make sense? Because we are not hearing anyone saying Ukininda Mapepereta did not Pepereta anything about it. The reason we say Kelly Kumalo is the mastermind is because in Kelly Kumalo's, one of Kelly Kumalo's phones or SMSs or downloads, we found that she was speaking to this man or to this woman who advised her if she wants that sort of work to be done. Here is the perfect person for it. Why is there no such? Do you get what I'm trying to say, guys? Because it's not making sense. It's honestly not making sense. And now, if you guys remember, Ustein ended up not knowing how did Kelly Kumalo and Ntuli communicate. Was it a call? Was it a message? What type of call? It was a mess. It was a mess. He got angry. He wanted to leave because now it was boiling down to one thing. You are lying about the flippant call. He first said it was a straight call. Then when Vodacom came and said there's no such calls between Kelly Kumalo and Ntuli, changed now and said it was a BPM. They're like, no, there was those cell phone of theirs. They had no BPM. And then it changed from BPM to a WhatsApp call, and that WhatsApp calls were not introduced at the time. So my question in this one, in regarding this one, is that if Ntuli is this dangerous man, was he going to recruit the other 4? If Ntuli is this dangerous man, and it was bought by Kelly to Unalive Senzo. Was Nduli going to do it with other people? And this Senzo person was a celebrity. Kelly was a celebrity. Wasn't he going to do something silently and finish the entire situation alone? Also, the same Tuli, remember, he doesn't have any co-accused in any of his crimes. Why would, for this one that is big, because this should have been one of the biggest hits that he has ever done, why would he become a coordinator, not ayithathe ngokwakaqondane nayo? Does it even make sense? I don't know. I want to hear from you. Do you think lento kaKelly Khumalo noNtuli, does it even make sense? And also the communication yabo ingekhoyo, or uKelly Khumalo being shown to communicate nabanye to get to uNtuli. Is it that not unfair or left out investigation from Geninda's side? And then also uNtuli, I believe was never going to go get other people for this because he doesn't have any co-accused in his previous cases. Lastly, uNtuli, if he is so dangerous, why would he need other people to do this job when he is capable of doing it alone? What are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.